Hello, today I'm going to do an overview of the 21-day Daniel Fast Recipe Cookbook. It's got 127 plant-based recipes and a meal plan. It's by Maria Tarn of Wydrow, and it is the companion to the 21-day Daniel Fast Workbook Daily Prayer Journal. So people ask, geez, what am I going to eat for 21 days? This answers that question. Everything you need to know is in here. The table of contents, as you can see, is who is Daniel, why prayer and fasting. This is all about prayer and fasting. It's not a weight loss diet. It's about prayer and fasting to come closer to the Lord. There's a little bit about Maria, some other books she's written. There's a Daniel Fast food list, what to eat, what not to eat. There's some tips and suggestions before you get started. And then we get right into the recipes. Believe it or not, you can make bread on Daniel Fast. There's porridges and puddings, spreads. It's amazing how many things you can eat on the Daniel Fast. People always say, well, geez, what am I going to eat? Well, here you go. Answers that question in style. Detox soups, broth, Paradise Garden bowls, all kinds of recipes. As you can see, there's over 120 recipes. Then there's sample meal plans with the shopping list. So when you go shopping, you got your shopping list and you got your meal plan for week 1, week 2, week 3, and even week 4 if you wanted to continue on. You can put your own recipes in there as well. And there is the book. I highly suggest that if you're going to do the Daniel Fast, you pick up this book.